Right. So we're going to do some practice now, and we're going to ask ourselves what best works for us. Welcome, Informa. Good to see you. What best works for us? What best works for Amaka? Because she's trying to do something very specific based on the initial, based on her initial boss description. That is the kind of customer she's looking for, based on the value she wants to deliver to her boss, based on the customer journey she wants to create for her boss, right? She now says, okay, I'm going to begin to, make it happen now, right? I'm going to now make it happen in my case. How is she going to make it happen? She's going to ask a question. Now, this brings us to a very interesting concept, predictive AI. That is the kind of AI that can use past data to tell about something coming in the future. Generative AI, the kind of AI that can use past data and current references to create new knowledge. Then large language model we mentioned is basically that type, a specific type of AI model that is trained on massive amounts of data. You can understand, interpret, and generate human-like language. So a lot of the chatbots you have today that we've seen, Gemini, ChatGPT, Llama, and so forth, are based on large language models. Then you have chatbots, which use large language models that we just talked about. Prompt engineering, the ability to interact effectively with the chatbots and with large language models. And then a very important one is hallucination, which is, think about your 3-year-old, 4-year-old daughter. They experience something like they see a bear on television, they go to school, they take ice cream, then they come and tell you a story. Do you know that today a bear came to my school and I gave him ice cream and he ate all the ice cream and he was very happy and we are now friends? Great. So let's go to now creating our Facebook page using guidance from the LLM. Now I'm going to use this prompt, and some of these prompts I will eventually send it all to you so that you can actually reproduce it. You can watch this video again and reproduce the prompts. You can, and when you're reproducing it, your business may not be baby diapers. Your business may be something else. Your business may be something else. So you give a different context. Your context will not be I'm a working professional looking side baby. Your context may be I'm a mother living in Accra, trying to start a catering business or trying to grow my catering business in Accra, Ghana. I want to create a Facebook page that reflects my brand and so forth. So I can take this prompt, I go back to my LLM. Where is it? Gemini. We're focusing on Gemini, but remember there are many different types. And I want you to notice something about all the chat and all the chatbots. Okay, so if there are no other questions, this is where we wrap it up. Please write a review and feedback for me so that I know what to touch on. I sent the feedback form in the chat. Please do that for me. I think Informa is also gone, but I'll also send it by email in case you've not seen that. Just at the right-hand side of kennethbreeder.com/feedback. Yeah, on the bottom right, feedback form, and take it from there. And if you will want to, there are some of the other products we have where we actually can sit with you specifically to talk through the business.
I think it's something I'm interested in. Awesome. I really think it's something I'm interested in.
Let's now details may include the names of people, their phone numbers, email address, their location. If you're going to do delivery, know people's locations, know their office at least, so that when they buy something from you, you're not now going to ask them, please describe again, where do you live again? No, you'll be able to say, do you still work at X? We can send it there by 12 this day. And I always tell people about delivery that if you can structure your delivery, it makes things better. If you can say, I deliver twice a day, between 10 and 12 and between 4 and 6. Will you be around between 10 and 12 at your office, so that you batch your delivery? That's another whole conversation. What preferences they have. Do they want their stuff delivered alone or with others, and so forth. With the tools, the WhatsApp, the Google contacts I've just shown you, you can leverage to organize your customer data well. The moment they come into your WhatsApp, save it on your Google contacts. Give them a group. You know, when you're saving on your phone, you can give them a label, a group that says this is customers or this is Facebook leads, so that when you want to send a bulk SMS or a WhatsApp message, you can know exactly who you're sending them to and so forth.